Hi, I'm Casey and welcome to my house tour in Honolulu, Hawaii, Oahu. Here's the front door, which leads right here to the entryway. So you kick your shoes off, and then you can put your shoes on. Boogie board, little vacuum. I have a cat. Bar cart, got all the good stuff for ice, shaker, bottle opener, alcohol. I still need to put some like fake flowers or something in there. A whole bunch of cups for margaritas in the back. Champagne, just cute cups and shot glasses. Some books, matches, candle, games, Polaroid camera, wine bottles, LaCroix, and then I loved like the colors of these Bud Light seltzers, and then I hated how they tasted. Fake lemons, limes, and a pitcher. That's this area. First walk in, and then you turn this way, and here is my dining room. Here's my chandelier, a little centerpiece for the table, and then the chairs. And then I have some like artwork up here. And then the one on the bar cart, I also want to put like right there. It's a hard time hanging it up. My rug. So that's the first line into my house, and then across from the entryway bar cart area is my kitchen. So here's this chandelier, super cute. And then, oh, hi. Cat on the counter. Okay, so over here I keep my fruits, and then tomatoes, little candle, grocery list, and there's extra storage right under here. Dishwasher, cabinet, sink. I have a little poster, cookbooks. I throw my wallet and keys right there, and then extra masks and stuff right there. Coffee, so important. My Alexa device, knives, microwave, and then washer dryer, fridge. And then so I'll come back around, and then here is my living room. Couch, chairs, extra blankets, and then books, and then a game of Connect 4, and then from this angle, TV, Nintendo Switch, a record player. I actually just hung the TV up, and so I have to put the wires away and then figure out how to decorate the top of that. Which I just keep like extra storage stuff inside there. Cat tower. So that's the first part of my house, and then you walk through the kitchen, and then there's more storage space right here that I just keep more pantry stuff in, and then there's one right here. Beach closet. Sunscreen's important. After suns, also important. Beach towels right here. Beach bags, sunglasses, hats, flippers. Gotta bring music to the beach. more beach stuff, snorkels, skateboards, and more beach bags. So then you turn down this hallway. Got this little thing, and then the first door right here is the guest bathroom. So I have just like a little decoration right here. Hi. Medicine cabinet. Behind the door is just a little shower. And that's the guest bathroom. And then if you keep going straight out of the guest bath is my bedroom. Welcome to my safe space. There's a closet right here when you first walk in. I just keep like shoes and stuff. Shoes, extra sheets. And then my TV, which like swivels to the wall when I'm not using it, which I'm not using it, whatever. AC, super important with all the huge windows. A little seating area. Doesn't really get sat in, but it's cute, it works. And then like a little daybed couch. Super cute, I love it. My bed, I love the mirrors. Probably my favorite part of the room. Hi, closets, full length mirror, I love. Little nightstands. And bathroom situation. I just keep my robes right here. Makeup bag. Just the whole sink situation. Some shelves I found. Shower. Towels. Just face stuff in there. And that's my bedroom. First door right here is the guest room. Not a lot going on in here. Bed, table, another mirror. Hi. TV, extra mattress just in case, and that leads out back into the living room, which I almost didn't even show you. My favorite part about my place is obviously the amazing view. Like, you really just can't beat it. There's the water, the city, and then right over here is Diamond Head. So that's my place. I actually had an interior designer, Shellen Studios. She helped me with like everything. So definitely if you need help in your Hawaii, like hit her up. She's awesome. If you have any ideas for my place, let me know. I definitely need more pillows for like my day bed and stuff. So if you have ideas for that. So let me know what you think. Thank you for watching.